Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mehendi by Arva. So if you want to learn Mehendi or you have keen interest in it, so this page is for you. This video is for the beginners who really don't know how to apply Mehendi. So firstly we learn how to draw lines and circles, which are the basics and really important, and neatness is all you need. So let's get started. So hold the cone gently like a pencil and start drawing horizontal lines like this. It's very easy, and try to make neat lines. You can practice this as much as possible. Second, we'll draw vertical lines. And it might be possible you'll miss the lines, but just don't worry. You can redo it again. Then we'll do the slant lines. And just see how I'm doing. Just lift the cone and just leave it there. And you'll get a perfect line. Just observe. Now we'll make a cross. And we make lines inside. And it's better you use a cone only. Okay, so we are done with the lines, and now we'll do a baby line. You can do it like this, or maybe small ones, small waves, or with practice you'll be doing it very neatly. Now we'll do the small curvy lines like these. And later on you'll see these are very important. In each and every designs you will be doing this. So try to practice this as much as possible. These are like small V's, okay? Now we'll do these are the practice of lines only. Now we'll make a line and we'll do this V's here, small V's. You can say N also. Now we'll go on for the checkers. These are the basic checkers. Make the lines as close as possible. Now we'll do the vertical lines, horizontal lines. And now we'll go on for the circles. And try to lift the cone and apply. And now let's make a semicircle. And let's make semicircles inside it also, just for the practice. And now we'll do, like, we are practicing circles only again. Let's make it spiral. And we'll end it here. Now again we'll be doing this only spiral circle. You can do it either way. And we'll end it up here and we'll do small ends. Try to do it as neat as possible. Now we'll try to make dots here. And you can do it like this also. Draw a line and put dots on it. You've already learned one design on it, simple design. Or you can draw a line and just do it like this, N, and lift it and make a curvy line. So these are basically kind of snails. Lift it and just like this. And now we'll make a line. Just push the cone and just drag it and leave it there. Push, drag it. Just have to pressurize the cone and just leave it there. Pressurize the cone and leave it. Isn't it beautiful? And here you go. You've already learned 16 designs, and these are the basic ones. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys will try this out and you all liked my video. If you have any questions regarding this video, please leave us a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Meanwhile, more videos are on its way. Stay tuned. Bye bye.